Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, almost weekend Friday, July the 21st, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, Sudoku Light and Sudoku Heavy. Not so good news today because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. So what I will do in the evening, this evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. Yeah, in the yesterday's newspaper we have 3 puzzles left, I believe. But let me show you. No extra puzzles. All right. This is the yesterday's newspaper of Thursday, July the 20th. We have here 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. These 3 puzzles I will do in the evening, but let me start with these 2 regular puzzles. By the way, what's the news of today? Well, let me show you what's the news of today. Well, in Berlin, yeah, there's a lion escaped. Yeah, in the streets of Berlin. We have here a picture of the lion, but I don't think it's a lion here. It's escaped and they are searching for the lion in the streets. Yeah, a lot of police are searching for that. Looking for the lion. Well, summer news, I believe. Alright, the 2 regular puzzles, Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. Well, the light is very light because this one has 33 printed digits. 33. Yeah, 33. A lot, and this will be number 6787. Alright, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be easier than the 1 star. For the 1 star, it has 27 printed digits, and you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, I think this one 12 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, 12, 11 minutes. We don't know, we'll see. Alright, so let's get started. Well, already 3 minutes passed. Alright. In the middle column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this big square, so no 2 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Right. Then. Let me see. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And do we have all the 5s? Yes, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the number? Come on. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and a 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in the last column, so no 6 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4 2 and 4. Alright, so we have a 2 and 1 of those two boxes in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in one of those two boxes in the last column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 4 in the column next. So on that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 4. How about 6 in this column, last column, 6 in one of those two boxes in that column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Done. Yeah. 7, 2, and 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. And we have a pair now. The 6 and the 9 in this row. The 6 and the 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this first row for the 1. The 2 is missing, and the 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2. We have a 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And then 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1, okay. 1 and the 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the second column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. Then let me see. How about yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 9. 4 and then 9. Yeah, I'm thinking. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 4, no, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. 8. Come on. No 2 here. 2. The 2 here. Need the 8 here. How about the 7 then? Nope. Yeah, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the 3, we have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 7. 6 in the 3, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in the 9, we have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, now only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the row below, so no 3 there, so the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1. The 2 is missing, yeah, the 2 is missing here. Need a 2 here, 2 in this column. 2 in the third column, so the column between, no, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there, finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 30 minutes, and we talk too much in the beginning, otherwise it will be 10 minutes. Alright, I like this one, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the Sudoku Heavy. Yes, is it really heavy? We don't know. We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.